Namaskar, friends. Today's our topic is Know Your States. Rajasthan, the largest state of India, as a part of a feast for the starving mind. So let us know about the largest state of India. Rajasthan is the largest state of India by area. Its area is 3,42,239 square kilometers. Earlier, it was known as Rajputana. It shares its boundary with Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, and Pakistan. The entire western side of the state borders with Pakistan, while Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, and Madhya Pradesh bind Rajasthan in north, northeast, southeast, and Gujarat in southwest. The Tropic of Cancer passes through it. Now, the prominent regions of Rajasthan are Marwar, Mewar, Mewat, Bagar, Shekhawati, Hadoti, Dhundhar, Ahirwal, Gorwar, and Wagad. Its capital is Jaipur, and the prominent languages are Hindi and Rajasthani. The total number of members for Lok Sabha 25 members, whereas for Rajya Sabha it is 10 members, and members of Legislative Assembly are 200 exactly. Total number of towns are 222, and its literacy rate is, as per 2011 census, 67.1%. The prominent rivers are River Chambal, River Sabarmati, River Saraswati, River Banas, River Parbati, and River Loni. The important towns, or better to say, the total number of districts of Rajasthan are 33. They are Ajmer, Alwar, Banswara, Barmer, Bharatpur, Bhilwara, Bikaner, Bundi, Chittorgarh, Churu, Dholpur, Dangarpur, Sri Ganganagar, Jaipur, Jaisalmer, Jalore, Jhalawar, Jhunjhunu, Jodhpur, Kota, Nagaur, Pali, Savai Madhopur, Sikar, Sirohi, Tonk, Udaipur, Dausa, Baran, Rajsamand, Hanumangarh, Karauli, and Pratapgarh. The third desert, the largest desert of India, is in Rajasthan. Aravali is the oldest fold mountain of India. Guru Shikhar is the highest peak of Aravali. Height of the Guru Shikhar peak is 1722 meters. Agriculturally, Rajasthan is a major producer of wheat, mustard, soya bean, coriander, fenugreek, and pulses. If you go by minerals, it is a prominent producer of asbestos, silver, gypsum, lead and zinc, wollastonite, uranium, and copper. Coming to tribes, Bhils, the largest tribe, Minas, Garesia, Dhanka, Saharia, Damor, and Nayaka. These are the prominent tribes of Rajasthan. Now, national parks in Rajasthan: Kevladev Ghana National Park, Ranthambore National Park, Desert National Park, Sariska National Park, and Mukundra Hills National Park. Wildlife sanctuaries: Jaisamand Wildlife Sanctuary, Jawahar Sagar, Kumbhalgarh, Nahargarh, Sajjangarh, Vanvihar, and Shergarh wildlife sanctuaries are prominent ones. Now, the state animal of Rajasthan is camel and chinkara. The state bird is the great Indian bustard. The state flower rohida. The state tree is khejri. The state dance is ghumar, and the state game is basketball. The prominent airports in Rajasthan: Maharana Pratap Airport, Udaipur; Jaipur International Airport; Jodhpur Airport; Jaisalmer Airport; Kota Airport; Ajmer Airport, and Bikaner Airport. The luxury trains of Rajasthan or passing through Rajasthan: Palace on Wheels, Maharaja Express, and Royal Rajasthan on Wheels. Now, the prominent city of lakes, the seven sisters of Udaipur. Okay, what are the prominent lakes of Udaipur? Udaipur is called as the city of lakes, and the seven sisters of Udaipur are Pikola Lake, Fateh Sagar Lake, Govardhan Sagar, Rang Sagar, Swaroop Sagar, Kumharia, and Dudh Talai. The World Heritage Sites in Rajasthan: the Jantar Mantar, Kevladev National Park, the city of Jaipur, and the hill forts of Rajasthan. What are the hill forts of Rajasthan? They are Amber Fort, Chittorgarh Fort, Gagaron Fort, Jaisalmer Fort, Kumbhalgarh Fort, and the Ranthambore Fort. The super thermal power stations in Rajasthan: Chhabra Super Thermal Power Station, Kota Super Thermal Power Station, Kali Sindh Super Thermal Power Station, and Suratgarh Super Thermal Power Station. The GI tags from Rajasthan: Kota Doria of Kota, the Blue Pottery of Jaipur, Molela Clay Work, Molela, Sanganeri Hand Block Printing of Jaipur, and Bikaneri Bhujia Bikaner. These things got GI tags. Besides this, Fulkari of Rajasthan, Bagru hand block print handicraft Jaipur, Thewa artwork handicraft Pratapgarh, Makarana marble from Makarana, and Katputlis of Rajasthan also got the GI tags. Prominent institutes in Rajasthan. Arid Forest Research Institute is located at Jodhpur. Central Arid Zone Research Institute also at Jodhpur. Central Sheep and Wool Research Institute, Malpura. National Research Center on Camels, Bikaner. Rajasthan Agricultural Research Institute at Jaipur. National Research Center on Seed and Spices, Ajmer. Central Electronics Engineering Research Institute is at Pilani. Other interesting facts related to Rajasthan. Churu is the hottest city. It is also known as gateway to the Thar Desert. Pokhran means the place of five mirages. The nuclear test was conducted in 1974 and in 1998 at Pokhran. Jaisalmer is called the Golden City, and by area it is the largest district of the state. Bharatpur was founded by Raja Surajmal. Barmer, a public sector oil refinery, is built here, developed by HPCL Rajasthan Refinery Limited. India's first underground air base is also here. Bikaner was founded by Rao Bhikaji, famous for Bhujia. Famous Karni Mata temple is here. It is the only rats temple in the world. Northernmost city of Rajasthan, and Bikaner is also called as the granary of Rajasthan. Jodhpur is called the Blue City and also called the Sun City. Famous Mehrangarh Fort is located here. It was built by Rao Jodha in 1459. Victory Gate was built to commemorate the win of Maharaja Man Singh over Jaipur and Bikaner armies. Phool Mahal and Sheesh Mahal are important palaces in this fort. Kota, the largest fertilizer plant, is here. Only city where hydel, thermal, and atomic power stations are installed. Kota is also known as the coaching capital of India. Kota stone, the sturdy and dark green colored stone, very famous. Kota Doria is the name of a fabric. Jaipur was founded by Sawai Jai Singh II. It is also known as the Pink City. First export promotion industrial park was started at Sitapur in Jaipur. Jantar Mantar of Jaipur was constructed by Maharaja Sawai Jai Singh II, and he built five such observatories in different parts of the country. They are Jaipur, Mathura, Delhi, Ujjain, and Varanasi. The one in Jaipur is the largest of all. The Hawa Mahal Jaipur covers five floors, and this pyramidal structure signifies both the crown of the Hindu god Lord Krishna. The palace was designed in 1799 by architect Lal Chand Usta, made up of pink sandstone. Dausa literally means beautiful like heaven. It is also known as Devanagari. Abhaneri is famous for Chandbauri, that is the step well. It is one of the deepest and the largest step wells in India. The Bhandarej Bauri, the step well, and Bhadravati Palace are also popular places in and around Dausa. Nagaur is famous for the Dargah of Khwaja Hamiduddin Nagauri. The Nagaur fort is also here. The giant temple in glass is another attraction. Beside these, Taj Mahal, Dilwara Temple, Victoria Memorial were made up of Makrana marble which came from this district. Dargah of Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti is located in Ajmer. Dargah of Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti is located in Ajmer. National Research Center on Seed Spices also here. Savai Madhopur is famous for Goas. Bhilwara is popularly called as the textile city of Rajasthan. And Makarana, which is world famous for marbles. Chittorgarh. So Chittorgarh is the largest fort in India, the capital of the erstwhile kingdom of Mewar. Chittorgarh is a land of forts. The nine-story Vijay Stambha Tower of Victory is also here. It was constructed by Rana Kumbha. It was built to commemorate his victory over combined forces of Malwa and Gujarat led by Mahmud Khilji. Bharatpur and Alwar are a part of National Capital Region of Delhi. Rajasthan's only military cantonment is Nasirabad. Largest inland salt lake of India is Lake Sambhar, which is in Rajasthan. Delhi, Agra, and Jaipur form the golden triangle of Indian tourism. Jaipur Fort, the artificial fort, is very famous. Birla, Bajaj, Dalmia, Jalan, Mittal, Poddar, and Singhania are famous industrialists. All are from Rajasthan. Ajmer is the first fully literate district in North India. Kumbhal Fort's 38-kilometer wall is the second longest wall in the world. So please do subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you all.